Hello student, my name is Sagar and welcome back to my YouTube channel Biology Sagar। तो आज हम टॉपिक डीएनए ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के एमसीक्यू को सॉल्व करेंगे और जो क्वेश्चन एग्जाम पॉइंट से इम्पोर्टेंट है उनको वन बाय वन हम एमसीक्यू बेस में सॉल्व करेंगे। तो लेट स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन ट्रांसक्रिप्शन इन प्रोकैरियोट? ऑप्शन ए, binding of RNA polymerase to sigma factor, B, binding of rho factor, C, recombination of promoter sequence, D, binding of ribosome. Correct option is option C, recognition of promoter sequence. Question 2, the sigma factor in prokaryotic transcription is required for option A, chain elongation, B, promoter recognition, C, row dependent termination, D, 5' capping. Correct option is option B, promoter recognition. Question 3, in eukaryotes the Tata binding protein TBP is a component of option A, RNA polymerase 1, B, RNA polymerase 2, C, TF second D complex, D, spliceosome. Correct option is option C, TF second D complex. Question 4, which RNA polymerase in eukaryotes transcribed rRNA 28S, 18S, 5.8S? Option A, RNA polymerase 1, B, RNA polymerase 2nd, C, RNA polymerase 3rd, D, mitochondrial RNA polymerase. Correct option is option A, RNA polymerase 1. Question 5, the -10 region Pribno box in prokaryotic promoter is rich in option A, GC pairs, B, AT pairs, C, CPG Iceland, D, AU pair. Correct option is option B, AT pairs. Question 6, the rho factor in prokaryotic transcription function in option A, initiation, B, elongation, C, termination, D, splicing. Correct option is option C, termination. Question 7, which of the following is not a modification of eukaryotic pre-mRNA? Option A, 5' capping, B, polyadenylation at 3' and C, splicing of intron, D, addition of Sine-Dargano sequence. Correct option is option D, addition of Sine-Dargano sequence. Question 8, in eukaryotic transcription, enhancer sequence function by option A, binding RNA polymerase directly, B, increasing transcription efficiency regardless of orientation, distance, C, serving as termination site, D, acting as ribosome entry site. Correct option is option B, increasing transcription efficiency regardless of orientation. Question 9, in prokaryote, the holoenzyme of RNA polymerase consists of option A, alpha 2 beta beta prime, option B, बीटा बीटा प्राइम सिग्मा, सी अल्फा टू बीटा बीटा प्राइम ओमेगा, डी अल्फा टू बीटा बीटा प्राइम सिग्मा। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन डी, अल्फा टू बीटा बीटा प्राइम सिग्मा। क्वेश्चन 10, which of the following is true about transcription termination in prokaryotes? Option A, always require row factor. B, always require hairpin structure. C, can occur via row dependent or row independent mechanism. D, require 5' cap removal. Correct option is option C, can occur via row dependent or row independent mechanism. Question 10, which of the following RNA polymerase is sensitive to alpha amnitin? Option A, RNA polymerase 1, B, RNA polymerase 2, C, RNA polymerase 3, D, both polymerase 2 and polymerase 3. Correct option is option B, RNA polymerase 2. Question 12, which transcription factor is required for the binding of RNA polymerase 2 to the promoter? Option A, TF2A, B, TF2B, C, TF2D, D, TF2E. Correct option is option C, TF2D. Question 13, the main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic transcription initiation is option A, presence of sigma factor in eukaryote, B, use of multiple transcription factor in eukaryotes, C, use of row factor in eukaryote, D, use of Sine-Dargano sequence in eukaryote. Correct option is option B, use of multiple transcription factor in eukaryote. In eukaryotic mRNA processing, the 5' cap is added in the form of option A, poly A tail, B, 7-methyl-guanosine triphosphate, C, inverted adenine, D, methylated cytosine. Correct option is option B, 7-methyl-guanosine triphosphate. Question 15. In prokaryote, the sequence that act as a transcription termination in row-dependent termination is option A, GC-rich stem loop followed by U-rich tail, B, AT-rich promoter sequence, C, Sine-Dargano sequence, D, Kozak sequence. Correct option is option A, GC-rich stem loop followed by U-rich tail. Question 16. Which of the following RNA polymerase transcribe tRNA gene in eukaryotes? Option A, RNA polymerase 1, B, RNA polymerase 2, C, RNA polymerase 3, D, mitochondrial RNA polymerase. Correct option is option C, RNA polymerase 3. The main role of mediator complex in eukaryotic transcription is option A, RNA splicing, B, DNA replication initiation, C, bridging transcription factor and RNA polymerase 2, D, termination of transcription. Correct option is option C, bridging transcription factor, and RNA polymerase second. Question 18. Which of the following is true about bacterial RNA polymerase 4 enzyme? Option A. It can initiate transcription alone. B. It requires sigma factor for initiation. C. It contains helicase activity of DNA unwinding. D. It possesses proofreading exonuclease activity. Correct option is option B. It requires sigma factor for initiation. Question 19. Which of the following an essential promoter element in eukaryotic RNA polymerase second transcription? Option A. Pribno box. B. Tata box. C. Sain-D'Argano sequence. D. Kozak sequence. Correct option is option B. Tata box. Question 20. Which transcription termination mechanism in prokaryotes require ATP? Option A. Row dependent. B. Row independent. C. Hairpin loop formation. D. Sigma dependent. Correct option is option A. Row dependent. Question 21. Which of the following is not a subunit of the bacterial RNA polymerase core enzyme? Option A. Alpha. B. Beta. C. Beta prime. D. Sigma. Correct option is option D. Sigma. Question 22. Which of the following process occur co-transcriptionally in prokaryotes but not in eukaryotes? Option A. Splicing. B. Capping. C. Translation. D. Polyadenylation. Correct option is option C. Translation. Question 23. Which transcription factor is required for helicase activity in eukaryotic transcription initiation? Option A. TF second B. B. TF second D. C. TF second E. D. TF second H. Correct option is option D. TF second H. Question 24. The promoter consent sequence at -35 region in prokaryote is option A. TAT AAT. B. TTG ACA. C. GG CC AA TCT. D. AAT AAA. Correct option is option B. TTGACA. Question 25. The CTD C-terminal domain of RNA polymerase second is important for option A. Promoter recognition. B. Recruitment of RNA processing factor. C. Transcription termination. D. Sigma factor binding. Correct option is option B. Recruitment of RNA processing factor. तो आज के लिए इतना ही और बाकी नेक्स्ट पार्ट हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे जिसमें 26 से लेकर के 50 तक MCQ DNA ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के आपको प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे। थैंक यू।